Hel- Hello, students. How are you? All are fine? Okay. Today we will learn measurement of physical quantities. We see all these in when you went to market. So many vegetables are there. When my mother went to market, she take vegetables and buy what what she will do by kilogram, okay, and milk, that is 1 liter, half liter, that is weight she will take. But what are these? And mass, weight, distance. When we went to doctor's hospital or dispensary, they check your temperature. huh? And what is that? The temperature Fahrenheit or Celsius. And these are physical quantities. Today we will learn measurement of physical quantities. Okay? What is meant by physical quantity? Physical quantities such as mass, weight, distance, speed, temperature, volume are called physical quantities. A value and a unit are used to express the magnitude of a physical quantities. First we will see about mass. Mass is the amount of matter that is present in a substance is called mass. Matter has a natural tendency to resist a change in its scale, which is called inertia. Mass is the qualitative measure of the inertia of an object. The larger the mass, the greater is the inertia. Mass is the scalar quantity. It does not change from place to place. Anywhere in the world, where whatever you take and weight, whatever in the world, from that is does not change from place to place. It does not change. Mass remains as it is. That is, gram and kilogram are the units of mass, and in the world they does not change from place to place. That is, it is constant. Next one, weight. Weight is the gravitational force that acts on the mass. When gravitational force acts on that mass is called its weight. Gravitational force by which they attracts an object towards its center is called the weight of the object. Weight is a vector quantity. It is different at different places on the earth. Our body has weight because of the gravitational force. Our body has a weight because of gravitational force. On earth there is a gravitational force, and because of that you have a weight. But if the gravitational force on the moon is less as compared to earth, then here suppose your weight is 15 kilogram and that man has less weight as compared to earth on the moon, and our weight is the same at both the place. Listen, weight will turn to be less there, and that is weight different places on the earth there is a different weight because of gravitational force. Then second one, I will explain scalar quantity and vector quantity. Scalar quantity is scalar quantity is the quantity that can be completely expressed by its magnitude alone is called scalar quantity. See, scalar quantity, for example, only magnitude, that is value with the unit, is used to express quantities such as length, breadth, area, mass, temperature, density, time, work, etc. And this quantity expressed in, thus we say that, for example, we say that the length of the tunnel is 2 kilometers. Second example, the temperature, that is fever. Temperature is 101 degree Fahrenheit or 37, 36 degrees Celsius. Whatever that temperature will be. That temperature will be expressed in Fahrenheit and or degree Celsius. Then vector quantity. What is meant by vector quantity? The quantity that is expressed completely only when magnitude and direction are both given is called vector quantity. Displacement and velocity are vector quantities. For example, displacement of 20 kilometers towards the north, the aeroplane flying at a velocity of 500 kilometers per hour towards Mumbai is two examples I have given for vector quantity. The next one, there are standardized measurement, and that standard measurement they have given that the privileging system of measurement, that is MKS system and CGS system. MKS system is the system distance is measured in meters, mass in kilograms and time in second. And CGS system, in this system distance is measured in centimeter, mass is in gram and time in seconds. In this MKS system of measurement, distance, mass and time are accepted as fundamental quantities, and these three quantities are used to measure all these quantities. The next one, there are many physical quantities and majority of these are related to each other. For example, speed, the ratio of quantities, distance and time. Speed is the quantities related to distance and speed. Then fundamental quantities, it is enough to select a few out of many quantities and standardize their units. You can see from the above example, the unit of the quantities, length and time need to be standardized. Such quantities are called fundamental quantity and their units are called standard units. Standard fundamental unit must be available to all and it must not be variable. We know the length, that is meter, and is expressed small m, mass kilogram, that is kg, and time second, that is s. Now we have learned today, that is physical quantity, how to measure and how to express in MKS system as well as in CGS system. Then major causes, there are some errors in measurement. Not using the appropriate device, okay, and having things, that is, does the balance carry the stamp of standardized by the Department of Weight? Is the balance stable? Pointer of the balance, and is the weight made of metal? How is the balance held? has the understand the pan of balance beam tempered. So many reasons are there, and therefore that is we have to that MKS and CGS system is also good that they have given, but importance of accurate measurement is very important, and that is depend upon purpose, and according to the purpose device to be used for the measurement of substance that are precious of great importance and used in very small quantities. When we went to that golden bazaar, if we want to sell gold, मला जर काही सोनं घ्यायचं असेल तर तुम्हाला वेट कसं मिळेल, त्या ठिकाणचं जे मोजण्याचं आहे तर तो कसा असतो, हवेशीर असा नाही, तो पॅकबंद एका ह्याच्यामध्ये तराजू ठेवलेला असतो छोटा. कारण गोल्ड इज कसा आहे, सोनं आहे, प्रति ग्रॅमलासुद्धा आपल्याला खूप किंमत द्यावी लागते, आणि त्यामुळे आपल्याला वजनसुद्धा घेताना ते व्यवस्थित दिलं जातं. आता काही वेळेला पूर्वीचं जे होतं की वीत, हाताची अशी वीत केलं जातं, एक वीतभर द्या, तर ते सुद्धा असं माप नाही घेता येत. ॲक्युरसी हवी त्याच्यामध्ये, आणि त्याच्यामध्ये ॲक्युरसी पाहिजे म्हणून या ज्या क्वांटिटीज आहे, स्केलर क्वांटिटी, वेक्टर क्वांटिटीज आणि मेजरमेंटच्या ज्या CGS MKS पद्धती दिलेल्या आहेत त्या स्टँडर्डाइज का म्हटलेल्या आहेत. एखादा धावपटू धावतो, खूप पळतो, पण तो किती फरक आला, सेकंड, विदिन सेकंड देअर इज अ डिफरन्स बिटवीन विदिन सेकंड अँड देअर इज दॅट इज द गोल इज हू इज द विनर. त्याच्यावरून तो शोध घेतला जातो, अँड दॅट इज वाय ॲक्युरेसी इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर अस. अँड हिअर आय थिंक वी हॅव अंडरस्टँड दिस measurement and physical measurement how to measurement of physical quantities, and that is very important for us. Okay, thank you.